I'm standing in a timeless dream of light mist with pale amber rose. Feels like I'm lost in a deep cloud of heavenly scent, touching, discovering you.
Heavenly Father, we praise you and thank you for your faithfulness and guidance and protection for all of us. We ask your presence here as we join Julius and Christy in marriage.
Summer night, secret moment.
Gusto ko magpasalamat sa iyo, love. Simula una, nambagin tayo hanggang ngayon. Parang walang araw na hindi mo ko ginaan. Ikaw ang nagtiwala at nagpalakasan. Thank you sa lahat ng effort mo at sacrifice mo.
Say it again. I love you, always forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything. I will do for you. I love you, always forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything. I will do for you.
Nagpe-pray ako noon. Bigla kang dumating sa life ko and then I can feel na iyon yung bigay sa akin ni Lord.
You've got
Parang hindi makasal. Kamusta ka naman? Kinakabahan ka na. Wala na energy. Hi guys. Aray.
always forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be.
Sa pagtagal natin ng relationship, super thankful talaga ako kasi lagi mong pinaparamdam na mahal mo ako.
Time keeps moving forward.
My sweet Christy Ann, you're married now. Know that every day is not the same. Be there for each other, always, and choose for one and another, always.
My whole world, it comes alive.
Lagi po nating tandaan na ang kasal ay isang natatanging kasunduan at isang permanenteng pagsasama ng isang lalaki at ng isang babae. Ito ay relasyong panghabang buhay.
We're making memories for a lifetime when we're together. This is the heart of
Sa almost 7 years, natin magkasundahan. Ito na lang, pinakasal na tayo. Sure ako na dalawang gusto ko makasama habang buhay. Gusto ko na pagkasama tayo sa isang bahay para bumuo ng pamilya.
Bumuo ka ng isang masayang pamilya, ha? Bobo. Ay, kipapa siya lagi sa atay.
Hindi ako alis.
Sa bahay ka pa rin.
Hindi na ito sira.
Ay siya, congratulations ha. Ay, kayo magbabait.
we'll keep finding magic in all the simple things. I'm just trying to slow down time with you. It's more than a moment. We're making memories for a lifetime when we're together. This is the heart.
Wala nang ayawan. Wala nang hiwalayan. Marriage is permanent. It is a lifelong decision. For better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part. What we are going to do, we need to concentrate on how to stay together as husband and wife.
Sunrise, this is the heart of life. This is the heart of life. It's more than a moment. We're making memories for a lifetime when we're together. This is the heart of life. It's more than a
Pangako na, lagayan ng pagmamahal ng mga magulang mo, pangako na mamahalin kita ng tunay at totoo. At pangako magiging tapat sa'yo, promise di ka na isa.
more than a day's gone by, more than a sunrise. This is the heart of life.
Dahil sa karapatan at kapangyarihang ipinagkaloob sa akin, bilang mangangaral ng salita ng Diyos sa ilalim ng Door of Faith Christian Church International at ng Republika ng Pilipinas, ipinapahayag ko na si Julius at si Christy ay mag-asawa na ngayon alinsunod sa salita ng Diyos sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng
This
Espiritu
is the
Santo.
heart of life. It's more than
Irespeto kita, mamahalin kita habang buhay, susuportahan kita kung saan ang gusto mo. Thank you so much and I love you.